Listen up. If you navigate Los Angeles business registration without a roadmap, you're going to waste money, miss mandatory local filings, and fall into brutal legal traps.
For instance, did you just pay for a free government ID? Everyday founders accidentally pay fake websites hundreds of dollars for an EIN, or miss local LA filings triggering massive fines.
Speaking of costs, $800. That's the California minimum franchise tax hitting LLCs and corporations every year, even with zero profit. Setting up correctly from day one is absolutely crucial.
Real quick, this explainer is just informational. Registration rules change, so this isn't legal, tax, or financial advice. Always verify with official government sources. Let's dive in.
First, you have to pick your legal structure. It's a trade-off. LLCs and corporations shield personal assets from lawsuits, but demand strict state filings. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are easier to start, but if the business tanks, your personal bank account is on the line.
Once you pick a structure, we start the paperwork.
Think of this like a macro to micro funnel. You literally cannot get local LA city permits until state and federal paperwork is approved. The order is strict: state, federal, county, then city.
Starting at the top, to form an LLC, file Articles of Organization. Form LLC-1 with the California Secretary of State online through the BizFile portal. It's a $70 initial fee. Next, the federal level.
Here's a trap you must avoid. Never use .com or .org sites charging you for an employer identification number. Your 9-digit EIN is 100% free directly through the secure irs.gov website.
Moving down to the county level.
There's a crucial difference between LA County and the City of LA. If your operating name differs from your legal name, like Sam Smith operating as Sunshine Flowers, file a fictitious business name or DBA with LA County for $26.
And get this bizarre requirement: you must publish that FBN in an approved local newspaper for 4 consecutive weeks. Skip it, and your registration is invalid.
Finally, the micro level.
To operate legally inside city limits, you need a BTRC, a Business Tax Registration Certificate. It's your primary license from the LA Office of Finance. You could often print a temporary one online. Have this checklist ready to avoid delays: your EIN, start date, legal name, a clear business activity description, and primary address.
Here's a pro tip. Check your exact location zoning using the city's Zymus tool before finalizing. Signing a lease only to realize you aren't zoned for your business type will stall your launch for months.
Also, while the BTRC covers taxes, you might still need specific local operational permits, like health, fire, police, or tobacco, depending on what you sell.
Let's lock in this roadmap. 1. Choose your entity. 2. File with the state. 3. Get your free IRS EIN. 4. File a county DBA. 5. Get your city BTRC. Only use official.gov or .cagov portals.
Getting this wrong means fighting bureaucracy instead of building your product. So which official step are you tackling today? Are you entirely sure your business is legally protected to make its first sale tomorrow?